Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix Windows 7 update error 80072 EFE. So if you are getting this message Windows could not search for new updates with the error code 80072 EFE while updating your Windows 7, then just follow these steps that I am going to tell you now. There are 4 methods to fix this issue. The method number 1 is just click on the start button, go to the search bar and type services. Click on the search result services, and now just click on this service background intelligent transfer service. Right click on properties option and just change the startup type from disable to automatic. Click on the apply button and click on the start button to start the service. Click on OK button. Similarly, go to another service, Windows Update. Here it is. So just click on it, right click on properties option, just change the startup type from disable to automatic. Click on the apply button, click on the start button to start the service and click on the OK button. After doing this, just try and update the Windows 7 and check whether your issue is resolved or not. If method number 1 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 2. So what you have to do is just go to my computer, open C drive, go to Windows folder, and in this just search for software distribution folder. After opening it, just select all these files and folders by pressing Ctrl A on the keyboard and just delete them. Just click on the yes button. Just click on continue button. So there will be some files that will not get deleted. Just click on the skip button to skip them. Just close this, and after this just try and update Windows 7 and check whether your issue is resolved or not. If method number 1 and 2 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 3. Click on the start button, go to the search bar and type services. Click on the search result services. And now just click on this service, cryptographic services. Right click over it, click on properties, and now just change the startup type from automatic to disabled. Click on the apply button, click on the stop button to stop the service. Click on the OK button. Now close this window, go to my computer, go to C drive, go to Windows folder, and now look for system32 folder. Here it is, and in this just delete this folder catroot2. Just right click over it and click on the delete button. Click on the yes button. So if this folder is not getting deleted, so what you can do is just go to the safe mode or boot your Windows into the safe mode and then try and delete this folder catroot2. So I am also not able to delete it right now. So just go to the safe mode and delete it. After deleting that folder, what you have to do is just go to the search bar, type services, click on services, click on yes, go to that service that we had stopped, cryptographic services, right click over it, click on properties, just change the startup type from disable to automatic, click on the apply button and click on the start button to start the service. After this just click on the OK button. After doing this, just try updating Windows 7 and check whether your issue is resolved or not. Now if any of the three methods didn't work for you, then just try out the method number 4. What you have to do is you have to download a Windows 7 update KB3138612. So just copy this text. I will give this text in the video description. You can copy it from there. Go to the browser, paste it there in the search bar and hit enter. Click on this first link, microsoft.com download update for Windows 7. Go down and just click on this download button to download it. So the setup is now downloaded. Just click on this setup and just install it. I already have this Windows 7 update with me, so I am not installing it right now. So you just go ahead and run this file and install it. After that, just restart your system and try to update your Windows 7. So this is how you can fix the issue of Windows update error 80072EFE. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.